everyone, so today I would like to answer the question of discuss 3. And in my opinion, the word family usually means the people you live with and are very close to, like your mother, father, brothers, sisters, or your own children. Relatives are all the people who are connected to you by blood or marriage. This includes your cousins, uncles, aunts, and grandparents. So, all family members are relatives, but not all relatives are part of your close family. There are also two kinds of family. First, nuclear family and extended family. A nuclear family is a small family with just parents and their children. For example, a mom, dad, and their 2 kids. An extended family is bigger and includes other relatives like grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. For example, if you live with your parents and your grandmother, that is an extended family. These words help us understand who is part of our close family and who is part of the bigger family group. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.